Hey guys, what's up y'all? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you an healthy scrub. Now I've actually used baking soda and Vaseline before. Now oh god, I mixed it with 2 more ingredients and it does a whole lot of things. Pigmentation, whitehead, blackheads, it removes dark spots, and trust me guys, it literally uplifts your skin, make your face look really glow, and it's actually brightening up your face also. Okay guys, so let me take you right back into this video. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video. And now let us go. Okay guys, now I'm actually going to be showing you what Vaseline and baking soda would turn my skin into. Okay, it's actually a great treatment for an aged skin, for pigmentations and all. So I'm basically going to be making use of petroleum jelly, which is Blue Seal Vaseline. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be scooping in a little of this petroleum jelly. I'm not going to be needing too much. Here we go. And then also we're going to be making use of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Okay, now baking soda is a great ingredient for the skin. However, when you want to use baking soda, you have to be cautious and not use too much and too regular. Okay, so I'm going to be taking just 2 tablespoons of baking soda into my petroleum jelly bowl, and we're gonna mix it all up. So this is how it's going to look like after which you've actually mixed this together. This is how it's going to look like. It's actually a great scrub. Okay, so that's actually not all of the ingredients. So we have potato to mix this up and make this ingredient work even better. Okay, so I'm actually we're needing Irish potato guys, not sweet potato. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel the potato, cut it, boil it, and then I'm gonna blend it into a fine paste. So here you have it. Okay, so I actually saved all of our time and did all of this off the camera, and now you can see how smooth this is. I'm going to be putting 4 to 5 tablespoons of that. And then we're going to give it a good stir. So the very last ingredient, which is very required for this, is gram flour. So I'm gonna be taking 2 tablespoons of my gram flour into this. Now gram flour is actually a very good wrinkle removal remedy that actually helps so much for the skin. So I'm going to be mixing this properly. Okay, so let's go apply this onto our face and see how this transforms my skin. Guys, I'm so privileged. Yeah, you need to try this, guys. Look what you make me do. Ha ha. Okay guys, so this is the Vaseline and baking soda. Alright, so this is the pap. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So what I did, I actually refrigerated this for like a little while. Okay, and so that when I apply it on my face, it's going to make my face bomb up. Okay guys, so just applying it here. Oh my god, the thick consistency, is it for me? Oh my goodness. So you have to apply all over your face, and of course you have to make sure that it actually covers your skin very well. So you can actually keep this for like 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes onto the skin, and then you clean it up or you wash it off. Okay, so before that you can actually give it a very light scrub. Okay, and yeah, I'm applying it on my lip because I need it to also make my lip look beautiful. Okay, your face cannot look beautiful while your lip is looking too chapped. Okay, so I'm gonna be washing it off. I'm gonna start from my lips so at least I can talk. Okay guys, so let me show you my skin. Look at that. Cameroon. Look at that. So that's it. You see how this is on my skin. Like, I love to apply this. It makes my, number one, I love to refrigerate it, so it makes it really cool on my skin, and it does a whole lot of miracle. Oh my goodness. So go give this a go, and I'm sure you are going to be telling me thank you. Alright guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share the video, and bye.